Italian restaurant with pizza. But you, Georgi, you already been?
Yes.
And how? Good?
I try tiramisu and coffee.
Uh-huh.
Not like in Italy,
But what about price?
but price tiramisu about 290 or I don't remember, about 300.
About
It's
300.
a small cake, small piece of cake, and cappuccino about 150. I don't know.
So its price is the same like in the Walking Street.
But in walking street I didn't find tiramisu.
Ah, okay.
If someone made tiramisu, usually they use cream. But in this place they use mascarpone.
Ну, take a look, it's
cheese.
bar or not? Nightclub. Nightclub Kona. Kona Hotel, okay? It's Kona Hotel. Korean maybe hotel. Okay. ABC. Georgi, did you extend your visa already?
Yes.
But you not been in the Market Mall?
Yes. In the internet, the government immigration site. I don't remember what address. It's the immigration site in the internet.
In immigration website you
Yes.
can extend your visa, tourist visa.
Yes.
So it's easy. Not need now go to Market Mall or not need to go to immigration. Just only you go.
Yes, first extension I did already. And next one I will try
Mhm.
maybe next week. I don't know.
Okay.
I will try later.
Okay. Open restaurant. No, I'm tourist. Yes, tourist. I know, honey.
Yeah,
250, yes?
yeah.
Okay, I know, thank you.
Not 250, sir. 200.
200, good price.
Yeah.
Germany restaurant.
Sir, it's people is hanging.
Georgi busy.
Hey, wow. So beautiful, girl.
Do you like also? Beautiful. Why you don't like?
Ew. Smell.
Ah, okay.
Smell fishy.
Okay, smell fishing, he said. But why he know? Not all. If he see girl, it smell not good, how he know? Soon, maybe they will open next month, I don't know. 650. Fish. Children said, welcome to Philippines. It's good children.
Hello, kamusta?
Ага.
Hello, kamusta? Mabuhay.
You go. So you not seen before? You maybe. But another girl already a long time here walk. Ah, this internet cafe? Where? I don't know. Another side maybe have. This is KTV. It's KTV, but I don't know. Never been. But today not so big traffic. Usually this time, you know, traffic. Right. Right. When you arrive?
2 days ago with my friend.
With your
Ah,
friend.
yeah.
Also from Singapore.
No, Malaysia.
From Malaysia. It's
Yeah.
very close. I've been in Malaysia many times. Okay.
man. See you later maybe.
See you later. Bye.